guys, it's Butter Chipmunk here, and I am playing some more Minecraft Parkour with my friend Lone Wolf. That is not Lone Wolf on K, which is also one of my friends, if you don't know. Okay, so here's time for some speed running. Crap, crap, crap. Okay. This will be a checkpoint. I'm just flying to all the checkpoints that shall be. You seem like you really wanna cuss at this map. Are you gonna cuss at it? Okay, here's for some speed run. It's pretty obvious. Pretty obvious. I made that. Like I made that. I'm gonna hit that. I ain't going to school on Thursday. I don't know. What's that? I don't know how to subscribe. Do you have a map? If you do, then I will tell you the coordinates. You don't have a map? Okay. Go to x-2. Y5 and Z-189. You're heading the wrong way, by the way. Just thought I'd let you know. That. Way ahead. Okay. You're not supposed to be there. Neither are you. Look at the world. Look at the world. Okay. I think, dude, I think I get the cactus thing. Come here, follow me. Here's where the checkpoint is. Come here. There, that door. That door is where the checkpoint is. Dude, I locked myself. Help me! No, other way, turn around! Huh? Yeah, but I just made a faster way to do it. Like, if you wanted like a fast way, then you could like. Huh? If you are, then hope you have a good life, my friend. I don't care what I got. You don't judge me. I made that. I made that. I got a message. Hmm. Yes. Yes, I am. Dude, while I'm like talking to you and like sending messages and looking, I'm like getting hit by a cactus. Bad cop. Can you hear me? Okay, I just screamed. I screamed! I want to know how like to make a sleet of snow where like you can fall through it. Like I want to know how to do that. Whoa, guys, did you just see that? Okay, dude, come here. I want you to be here for this grand finale. I want you to be here for this grand finale. I want you to be here for this grand finale. No. Did you just hit me? Okay, yeah, we gotta do some more parkour. Oh, and I'd like to let you know the first jump. That first jump, you might want to like, what's it called? Like jump a little late. You want to like jump a little later than usual. Like don't jump like early, just jump later. Like there is no checkpoint. That stone tower is not a checkpoint. Jump later. Don't jump like really early. He wanted to be friends with me, then I kicked him. Stop it! Move. 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 Okay. Flip that switch. Flip it. Flip the... Damn it, I'll do it myself. Flip the switch. Flip the switch. Flip the switch. Flip it, dude. It's just water. There's a chest with butter. I swear to you. Help me! I don't know. Help me! Did you die? Can I have some help? I'm trying to kill you. How come I can't hit you? Oh, that's why. It's like I want to be your enemy. Check out my YouTube channel. Okay guys, and that was the end of that YouTube. I'll see you later. Bye.